decided that he still needs to do a little bit more trimming. Okay? We don't have the hole big enough to put the pipe in yet, so we're doing a little more trimming. So currently he's working on that. That's what the noise is in the background. Wow, that piece fell off. Looks like you might be good.
Let's hope so. Creative sawzalling.
The power of sawzall, you said? Yeah, that looks perfect.
Yeah, we're hitting something. Yeah. That piece of 2x4 right there. That's the one with the nail in it, of course.
Oh, you gotta get the nail out, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right there. There's a nail. It goes in sideways. The guy that built the house kind of missed.
Oh, he did. Okay.
Yep, so we have to figure out how we're gonna kind of. It's gonna take a little bit, so why don't you? We'll come back in a few minutes.
Okay, sounds good. We'll come back after Mike is able to get the nail out. We'll be back.